Got me living in the fast life. Slowing down is like a pastime.
Hey, happy Friday! Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, and welcome to my vlog as you continue to follow me as I build my own practice. So today marks officially the first entire month that the clinic has been open. So happy 1 month anniversary to the Medical Institute for Wellness. And today I am going to give you a clinic update. That's right, we are doing a HGTV type of episode, clinic edition. Some of you followed me while I was actually trying to pick out a building. Y'all remember that building that didn't have like indoor plumbing or the exam rooms? And then when I before I signed this lease, came to this building, you remember the god awful interior and furniture that was like literally as old as I am. So we have revamped everything. We are now in a place where everything is completed and we're up and running. So I just wanted to give you guys a little grand tour. So go ahead and follow me and I'll show you around. Okay, so we have this sign. It's finally finished that I was out here when it was 100 degrees. It's my name right there. That's the one I took down when it was 100 degrees out here. They finally got it up like 2 weeks ago. And this is the front door with my name. Look at that. And our hours and the spa hours. So yeah, this is a sign. They wanted to charge me like $300 to remove the old and put the new signage on, and I removed it myself and bought this online at Sticker U for 20 bucks for the top part that says my name and then the spot hours. So both of these together was 40 bucks. Let's go in now. And this door broke the other day. My gosh, I had to pay $140 for a locksmith because I think the lock is like warped from the cold. But anyway, my key got stuck. So yeah, that lock broke the other day. Last Friday, came in, couldn't turn the key, and then the key broke off. So I had to call a locksmith for them to extract it. Then they had to do a replacement key. Cost me $140, and they're like, oh well, the whole lock needs to be replaced for 200 bucks. I'm like, let me call the landlord and then I'll let you know. So anyway, side note, let's continue the tour. So this is the waiting area. And there's a TV that's not on because I think I broke it en route, so I have to get a new one. Lots of good magazines. Let's check this out. I don't know, you guys may think these magazines aren't that interesting. So let's go to the back. Okay, and then check-in/checkout area where my stuff is right there now, because we're done for today. And then this lovely scale that I put together myself. That is a lie, I did not. My dad did actually. I'm not handy at all. And then now I'm going to show you the esthetician's room where you can come get all of your spa services and take like a mini vacation. So I'll show you that. Okay. Doesn't it look so relaxing? I picked out these pictures, kind of. I had them in the house, laying around when I moved. This is the examination room that I use pretty much majority of the time. Just a standard room. These are posters that I like. Some of you may remember these were actually like in my house, so yeah. And then now we have what I like to call the wellness lab. So we have weights because I do go over some exercise prescription with some patients, and we do talk a lot about nutrition. You guys know I'm very big into a holistic approach. So we have all types of food models to discuss nutrition. As you may have seen my video from what's on your plate, and then more posters. And then we have my office. It is not finished yet. This is a work in progress, but I think it looks better than it did. There's absolutely zero storage space, so that's why this is in my office. And my beautiful painting, and then my pretty cluttered desk. Like I said, this is a work in progress. Please don't judge me. Now we have the break room. I'm gonna make it a little bit nicer. It's not that great right now, but we have everything we need: refrigerator, microwave, whatever, pay schedule, and vacation schedule, which is pretty much all you need. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour and the pictures in between, kind of what it looked like before versus now. And I hope that you agree with me that everything has improved drastically since we moved in. And so much thanks to my friends, especially Elisa, who helped me decorate the waiting room. I could not have done that on my own. Our esthetician, unfortunately, she was out today, but she helped with decorating, especially her room. That's why it's so beautiful, because I had minimal to no input. I said, it's yours. It's a blank canvas. Do whatever you want. So yeah, thank you guys so much for following me on this crazy journey. I can't believe that we have less than 2 months left in the year, and that, you know, the things that I dreamed of are actually here. It feels like surreal. It just, I don't know, I can't believe it. So on this crisp for Texas afternoon, I just want to leave you with encouragement that if you have a dream, I don't care how crazy it looks, how impossible it looks, how difficult it looks, or people tell you that it's too hard, never ever stop dreaming. If you have to fight for your dream, fight for it, because ultimately, if you do the work and you keep believing, you keep working hard, you will see it come to pass. So keep believing. As always, I pray that you guys be well, that you have an amazing Friday and a great and restful weekend. Keep believing God for all the impossible things in your life. And for those of you in the Dallas area, I'm on my way to the Mavs game, so I hope to see you there. And also in the description I put, we are having an event for you that are in the area. Seriously, we're gonna have a free health screening and a food drive for Thanksgiving with the North Texas Food Bank. Details are in the bottom. So if you are in the area and just want to help out, bring one canned good item, whatever it is, it all makes a difference. So be well, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys bright and early Monday morning as we continue our Destroying Limitation series. See you soon.